Hey baby, it's that time again. So you know it's a good thing. And it's time for you guys to hit subscribe already if you're not subscribed. I don't know why you haven't subscribed yet. But
I like being invited because if I get invited, meaning I have something.
yeah, so we've been doing a lot of shopping lately because we're going on a cruise. So I got you a little something for the cruise. I know.
Purse?
I'm not gonna ruin it. Do you need me to just cut it for you?
I can manage. I can do it. Just gonna take some time, guys. And
She can do it. Oh,
and then,
nice. Wow.
And then you just have to fast forward something.
I don't want to fast forward. I want to make them wait in anticipation like you are right now. Do you want me to just pull it?
Yeah. Dun 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 dun. Let's see.
See your face.
Oh!
Hold on. Let's show them before you open it up.
It's a
You
golden
can
goose.
see the box.
Shoes.
Golden Goose.
This is my first golden goose.
We've gone to the store a few times when we were at the mall over the years, and well, I kind of know her size because we've been there, and I know what style she likes because we've been there.
Oh, look, guys.
So hopefully this fits her.
It comes with a bag. Oh, that's so cute.
It's like a little backpack bag almost.
Yeah, it's a string bag.
Yeah, it's like a string bag, but it's like you can almost use it as a backpack.
Oh.
It's the ones you liked?
Yeah. Oh,
See,
thank
there you go.
And you know what? Like, I think they know the difference. If it's a kid or something.
So, here's the funny part that I absolutely love sometimes shopping for my wife. If you know what that means, comment in the description below. If you know what it means. I'm not going to say it,
I'm gonna try it on.
but it saves me a lot of money if you understand what this is.
Okay, cool.
Oh, sorry.
I'm trying
Yeah, try them on.
guys. Let's see.
Oh, they're so cute, but they're so tiny.
Oh, it's perfect.
But they're super tiny. So the thing about Golden Goose is basically they're designer shoes, but they're worn.
They look
Like they look worn. They're not worn, but they look worn. So if you like kick them around, get them dirty, no one's gonna know. I mean, because they look that way already.
Yeah,
like they already
sure.
like wear them out. So these shoes are brand new, but if you look closely, they have like little scuff marks and like dirt looking scuff marks. Like look, the worn toes. But that's by design. They look like curved, like they look worn and worn in. Try not to sit on you.
That's actually perfect, guys.
They fit?
Yeah, it fits perfect.
They're size 34. I'm not going to say the other part of it. Again, the smiley face gives it away. Comment below what you think that smiley face means. And then you can't see on screen, but the cats are jumping in and out of the the box that it came out of. Like, hold on.
Like this. Thank you.
Oh, no, I was going to pick them up in the box. They're both running off now. Both our kitties. So what do you think? Yeah? Did good?
Yeah.
So,
And you know that I found out because it's my first year and we don't really shop there because I think it's not really worth the money because like I said it looks old,
they look worn. Yeah.
You know, but you know what I found out when we're in this one, if you buy from them, you cannot return.
No, I know. So I like.
I think it's just only exchange or stored credit.
So that's why I made
like-
sure I kept like really looking to make sure what size she is, and then I kept like paying attention to which one she tried on the most, like comfort wise.
Perfect.
But they never had her size in stock, so luckily I had to like call and order it and all that fun stuff.
Yeah.
See, kitty in a box. If you know, you know. On that note, hit that like and subscribe, and check out whatever other YouTube videos I have. I have hundreds of them. And comment below what that smiley face means. See who knows and who doesn't. Bye.
Bye.